Hello guys, I made a Magna thing. Made a Magna helicopter. It's usually the base. Also like things. Like it's also like the hover car. See
Mama,
these
I'm
two
a
things?
criminal. Mama, I'm the criminal.
So basically, this head still does rotate because of that wheel thing keep busy here. Then those magnets right there. I use the same mechanism for hover cars.
Hover. Is it a hover helicopter? Say yes. Hover
Yes, yes.
hover helicopter?
Aw,
Man,
man.
I teleported myself. Reality.
I hope no one's there because they will slowly turn the isolation on and we'll be restarting to our spawn point. Boom, we're already there. That is and this car this doesn't, that anti-gravity car, wake up. So this is cool. I have this guy joining my team. He's my friend. There's other people who play this game too. So Lucas, come in the seat. The seat, not the car seat. Okay, let me show you something.
Coolite is a world car.
See? Oh man, that eating me. What? This is 2025. Don't leave, Lucas. Lucas got AFK because he's going to YouTube. Huh, man. I suck. Kong. My safeguards are useless forever. That's goodbye.